All right, today let's understand the concept of project tracker, especially the Kanban. I'll open one of my repository, GitHub Foundations. Let's open. And here, if we look, we have projects here. Let's click on project. And here, if you want to create a separate tracker, you want to progress or track where your teammates or what tasks they are doing, let's create one Kanban kind of thing, right? So we'll here, so let's click on new project. And here, if you look, we have different kind of templates. Previously, you might have remember from the bug tracker, we have the bug tracker here, right? There are many different type of templates, roadmaps and all. So one of the common in most DevOps projects is the Kanban. So let's walk through how GitHub Kanban project tracker works, right? Let's click on it. We need to give one name, otherwise it will appear something like untitled. So let me give like cloud project tracker, something like that. I'll uncheck because I don't have issues. If I try to create, it might give error. Let's try to create. See, server error. So I'll uncheck this because I don't have any open issues. I'll instead create one. I'll click on create project. Now this looks good. We have named it, right? So next, if you look, everything is blank here. We don't have anything here. So let me explain one by one. So backlog column here, all ideas and future tasks start in backlog. This is where we collect everything we might work on later, but haven't committed to yet. So let's click on add item. I'll create one new item. It can be something like, let's say the task is creating a dashboard. I'll write create dashboard. Looks good. I'll click on create issue. Now I'll give a description so that the teammates will be able to understand what this task is all about, right? So here I'll write generate a Power BI dashboard to demonstrate sales made in this month. So you can we can attach the pics or anything, the documentation which we received from our client. Then we need the assignee. Since here in this project I am alone, in real life project you'll be having your teammate's name. So I'll assign it to one person who will be working on it. So I'll assign it to myself. Now in the label, you got to choose an appropriate label which is relevant to this. Since it's a new feature, like new thing which is being introduced in the project, it will be under enhancement. Otherwise, we can select any other thing if it is a bug or anything, right? So for now, looks good, enhancement. And please make sure it's populated in the cloud project tracker, which we created a few moments back, right? Now let's click on create. So as soon as we created, there we go, the task is there. So now anyone can pick it up. Let's say I have picked up. So it will be in ready state now. So let me explain what the ready column is all about. So when a task is chosen for the upcoming work, we move it into the ready column. This means it's prepared and waiting to be picked. Now this looks good. Now let's see if I have worked on it, the dashboard part, I've made some progress. I'll move here in progress as the name suggests. So in progress column, once let's say I have started working, the task moves into the in progress column. That the name itself says, right? In progress means I've made some progress. Now we are left out with last two, that is in review and done. So in review is when the work is finished but needs checking. Let's say I have already created, just imagine I have created one dashboard. Now the teammates need to review it. So here what we do, we put it in review. Our teammates will review the changes, usually through a pull request. So in the interest of this tutorial, we are not complicating things. I'll keep it as simple as that. Let's say the team mates have made the pull request and all, right? And finally, when everything is perfect, after the review is successful and the pull request is merged, the task moves into the done column. This means the work is complete and ready to use. So, in a nutshell, so the Kanban board, this is the Kanban board, right? All the backlog ready, in progress, in review, done, right? So Kanban board gives us clear picture, like the task flows from the backlog to ready to in progress to review and finally to done. So it keeps the team organized, shows the progress at a glance, and makes collaboration smoother. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.